Okay, so here I've got the LAQVITA corded handheld vacuum here. So thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is a corded vacuum, so it comes with a really nice long 33-foot long cord here, so you can just plug it in once and you don't have to keep on unplugging it when you go into different rooms. It has two different modes. You can use it as a handheld vacuum like this, or you can use it as a handheld vacuum like this. You can attach this little wand here and vacuum with that, so that's really nice. It has this nice large canister here. There's a HEPA filter in there. You can open this to empty it out. Comes with two extra little HEPA filters right there. And comes with this little wall mount here, so you can stick this onto a wall, and then you can hang this on the wall just like that, so that is really nice. The motor is 600 watts, so nice and strong. This is just a single power button right there. Really nice and strong. So yeah, it's just a really nice vacuum for hardwood tile floors, probably not for carpet, but picks up hair, dust, etc. It's really easy to maneuver, get into tight, low spaces, and then you can angle the head in any direction. So here I can show you kind of it in action. So we have two dogs. There's a lot of hair all over the floor. So it gets under this table here. So the vacuum is really nice. So you can see all the hair down there. The vacuum is nice so that it can get under there really easily. So yeah, if you are looking for a really nice, lightweight, powerful vacuum, make sure you check this out.